To my dear friend, Brunel Simon. And Brunel, what's the weather going to be like this weekend?
Good evening, Nicola. It was pretty quiet across the island today. However, by tomorrow, there's a weak line of moisture expected to move into the area that will once again heighten the chance for shower activity across the area during the course of tomorrow. But we'll have more details after this short break. Welcome back, and as we dive right into our satellite picture for this evening, we see not much happening in the way of cloudiness or shower activity across the area. Today, very warm, dry conditions across the island as a dry and stable air mass sat across the area. Just to the east of the island, there's a line of moisture extending from Tropical Storm Gabrielle, and as this spins away from the area, this line of moisture will approach the islands, causing an increased chance of showers and possible isolated thunderstorms as it combines with light winds and daytime heating to trigger some localized showers and thunderstorms across the islands during the course of tomorrow. So we can expect these conditions across the island. Similar conditions across Hispaniola as a weak tropical wave lingers across that portion of the island chain, and also across the southern islands to include Trinidad and Tobago and the windwards. Farther afield, we're looking at two tropical waves, one in the central Atlantic, one in the eastern tropical Atlantic, which has a 20% chance of development, even though it's expected to encounter some hostile conditions as it moves across the tropical Atlantic. However, this tropical wave is expected to be in the vicinity of our islands by Tuesday, bringing some cloudy conditions with showers and thunderstorms. So we're indeed looking forward to this tropical wave in the central Atlantic to move across our islands Tuesday into Wednesday. Forecast conditions for tomorrow, Sunday, partly sunny conditions initially, with periods of increased cloudiness and a heightened chance of some localized showers across us in the Leeward Islands, Puerto Rico and the British Virgin Islands, similar conditions across the southern Windward Islands and Trinidad and Tobago. On the outside, currently mostly fair conditions with a current temperature of 25 degrees Celsius or 77 degrees Fahrenheit as winds come from the east-southeast at about 5 miles per hour. Overnight across Antigua and Barbuda, mostly fair and cool conditions are expected to continue with very little in the way of shower activity. Winds will become light and variable at 2 to 6 miles per hour, becoming even calm at times. A minimum tonight of 21 degrees Celsius or 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Tomorrow across Antigua and Barbuda, partly sunny conditions initially, with periods of increased cloudiness and a heightened chance of some localized showers and possible isolated thunderstorms developing. Maximum could get as high as 34 degrees Celsius or 93 degrees Fahrenheit as winds come from the east-southeast at 5 to 12 miles per hour, becoming even lighter at times. Our sunrise time will be 5:56 a.m. and the sun will set at 6:04 p.m. Marine conditions pretty good at this time, waves getting as high as 3 to 5 feet or 1 to 1.5 meters, so safe conditions for both small craft operators and also for beachgoers who are planning to go to the beaches over the weekend. In our extended weather forecast for this evening, well, as mentioned earlier, Tuesday into Wednesday as the tropical waves come into the area, increased cloudiness can be expected with a heightened chance of showers and thunderstorms across the island. Partly sunny conditions in general on Monday, with only a moderate chance of a brief afternoon shower. Winds coming from the east-southeast at 5 to 12 miles per hour on Sunday, shifting between the east and east-southeast and increasing to 7 to 16 miles per hour Monday through to Wednesday. Maximum temperature of 34 degrees Celsius or 93 degrees Fahrenheit and a minimum of 22 degrees Celsius or 72 degrees Fahrenheit can be expected over the next 3 to 4 days. And here's our weather package for this Saturday evening. We go back to Nicola for the continuation of tonight's news.
Thank you so much, Brunel Simon. Of course, we look forward to a wonderful weekend, showers of blessings and everything else that comes with it.